Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we have got some exciting news in the world of automobiles. Peugeot has just unveiled the brand new 2024 Peugeot 3008 EV and it's packed with some cool features. So let's dive right in. First things first, the exterior of the 2024 Peugeot 3008 has undergone a major makeover. It sports a sleek, rounded shape that gives it a modern and stylish look. But what really catches your eye is the front of this SUV. It's got an aggressive front fascia with those cool LED daytime running lights that seamlessly blend into the bumper. This gives it a mean and powerful appearance, and when you move to the side, you will notice the muscular profile adding to its overall charm. The rear end is also updated with sharp LED tail lights complementing the striking exterior design. Now let's step inside the 2024 Peugeot 3008. The interior is nothing short of impressive. One of the standout features is here the massive 21-inch curved display. This display does a double duty, serving as both the digital instrument cluster and the infotainment touchscreen. It's like having a futuristic cockpit right in front of you. But that's not all. There are these nifty 10 touch-sensitive buttons called iToggles. You can customize them according to your preferences, making it super convenient for the driver to access various functions without any hassle. So, as we talk about the conclusion, there you have it. The all-new 2024 Peugeot 3008 EV is set to turn heads with its eye-catching design and advanced exterior tech. Peugeot is certainly stepping up its game in the world of electric SUVs. So, what do you think about this new generation Peugeot? Are you excited to see it on the roads? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting automotive updates. Thanks for watching and we will catch you in another video. Till then, just drive safe, stay safe.